Good morning. Welcome to English class. We're going to get started with our special sound. And there's something very important about our special sound that we're going to learn today. So our special sound is ing in pointing. I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. Say it with me. Ing in pointing, I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. Again, ing in pointing, I-N-G. Ing, ing, ing. One more time. Ing in pointing, I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. The special sound pointing is special because you see this little hyphen here? This means that this is something called a suffix. You see it here on my board, the word suffix. It's also on your paper. So make sure you have your paper out in front of you. It has the mouse with the pumpkin on it. Okay. Your suffix is the letter or group of letters that you put on the end of a word to make a new word. So before we go too far into that, we have another term that you need to learn, and that is root word. Root word. What is a root word? A root word, that's the word that you start with, the word you begin with. So for our special sound, pointing, the root word is point, to point. The suffix ing, we add that to our word point to make pointing, our bigger word. So our root word is the word that we start with. Our suffix is the part we add onto the end. Let's look at some more words like this. Handing. Handing. Hand is your root word. It's the word you start with. Then you add ing. Handing. Fishing. Fish is the word you start with. Then you add your suffix. Fishing. Mowing. Mow is your root word. Then you add the suffix ing. Mowing. Trying. You start with the word try. Then you add ing. Trying. Looking. Start with the word look. Looking. Waxing. Root word is wax. Suffix is ing. Waxing. So on your paper, number 1 says circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. I'll give you a clue. All of them have that special sound ing in pointing. Now number 2, or in that blue box at the paw print, you can read about your special sounds, or about your root words and suffix, excuse me. Number 2 says, underline the root words and circle the suffixes. Write the root words in the puzzle. So just like I've showed you here, your root word is point. That's the only word that you're going to write in your puzzle is your root word, not the suffix ing. So here are the words that you have for your puzzle. This is across and this says down. So when you write in your puzzle, the words that are across, they go in this lado. The words that are down, you write like that, up and down, vertical. So the first one for across is 2, and then 3, and for down, this is word 1 and word 4. So the first one, squashing. Well, we know our suffix is ing, so let's circle that. Then it says underline the root words, so we underline squash. Now in your puzzle, you find 2 going across. 2 across, and you write squash. So 1 letter in cada caja, 1 letter in each box. Okay, now let's do frosting. Well, here's our suffix ing, so our root word is frost. Then you find 3 going across, and you write it in that box. All right, number 1 for going down, walking. Our suffix is ing, so our root word is walk. Excuse me. So you write walk where you find the number 1 and going down. Put the W in the first box and keep writing 1 letter. Then for number 2, you have smashing, or I'm sorry, not 2. This is, oh yes, it is 2. Sorry guys, I wrote that incorrectly. This is 2 down. 2 down. So your suffix is ing, your root word is smash. So you'll find the two again. You already have the word squash going across. So smash will go down. All right, number 3 says draw a line between the two parts of the sentence. Underline the subject part. The big orange pumpkin grew in our garden. Remember the two parts of the sentence, what happened and who or what. So what happened? Grew in our garden. So that's where you separate, where you see the word grew. Then it says, what grew? Well, the big orange pumpkin. So that's your subject. That's the part that you underline. All right, turn your page over to page 60. Underline the root words and circle the suffixes. Write the root words, in the puzzle. So you're going to do that puzzle exactly like the one we did on the page in front. It's just bigger, okay? But you're going to do it the exact same way. So circle the ing, your suffix, then underline the rest of your word. That's your root word. Then you're going to find the number it goes with and write it in the puzzle. Number 2 says choose the best word to finish each sentence. So your words are cheese, that's queso, cheer, that's felicidad, or it's felicidad, but it's a verbo, to like felicitar. Worm, that's like un gusano. ¿Cómo? World, that's del mundo. Lord, Dios, el Señor. And porch, that's like the corredor. And then number 3, write a word other than the clue word that uses the special sound. So your first one is CH. That makes the sound ch in church. So think of another ch word, another word that has ch in it. It can be in the beginning or the end, doesn't matter. Then you have fr in frog. Now you need to think of another English word that uses fr. All right, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great day. Bye.